In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your name on your Cash App account. Cash App is a popular payment application that allows you to send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks and assets, and access other financial features. Now, if you recently changed your name, made a mistake during setup, or just want to update your account information, Cash App allows you to edit your name directly from your profile settings. Therefore, to start, all you have to do is open Cash App on your device. Go to the main page of your Cash App, or if you see the $sign highlighted, which is the screen that appears when you first open the app, we're going to go to the top right corner where you see your profile icon or your initials. Now go ahead and tap on that to open your account settings. Once you're in the profile section, you will see different options related to your account. Look for the section that says Edit Profile, and then you should tap on it. This will take you to a page where you can view and update some of your basic account information. Then from here, you will see your name listed along with other profile details. To update your name, tap on the name section or the arrow next to it. This will allow you to enter your new first and last name. Then, once you have made the changes, tap Save, and Cash App will update your account information. Just make sure that your information is accurate, as this can help avoid issues with your account. And that's how you can change your full name on your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.